Hello everyone, this is Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy, and today I'm going to bring you a very quick video on a good way to bridge assets between chains. This is something that is becoming a lot more important right now. As you can see in my background, there's a ton of different chains out there and a ton of different things for you to do in this incredible world of emerging technologies. But sometimes moving funds from chain to chain is not as easy and straightforward. And sometimes bridges end up taking a lot of fees. So today we're going to take a look at a very interesting option for all of you who are interested in exploring the different chains out there. So it's called Nitro, and it's been created by the router ecosystem. And basically it aims to connect all the different chains. And the interesting thing that you can do, and why I like these kinds of bridges, is that not only I can send funds from one chain to the other, but I can also select the assets. And the assets can change in the middle. For example, right now I have MNT, the Mantle token, on the Mantle network. And I want to send funds to the base blockchain. But I want to send the MNT token, but I want to receive Ethereum. So basically, Nitro is going to send the funds, and in the middle, it's going to swap them. And it's all going to be done in one transaction. It's going to be completely seamless for me as the user. That is what I want. And we're going to quickly look that first of all, there are a ton of assets you can swap, but there's also a bunch of chains. Here we have the chains, and here we have the assets. And as we can see, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, basically all the main EVM chains. And you also have very interesting ones. Like, for example, we have Rootstock, which is the EVM chain that uses Bitcoin as their currency for paying for gas. And it leverages the Bitcoin's proof of work. So this is a very interesting EVM chain that is very different from the others, but now we see it integrated. I've been working with Rootstock for quite a while, and we don't have there is not a lot of bridges that connect Rootstock with the rest of the EVM. So this is one of the reasons why I love Nitro so much. And we also even see chains like Tron here. So you have a lot of chains to choose from. In our case, for this example, we're going to click on base, and I'm going to go back, and then of all the tokens, we're going to choose Ethereum. So again, I want to send MNT token, and I want to receive ETH. So I'm going to send 50 Mantle tokens. These are worth roughly $46. And now this is going to calculate how much Ethereum we're going to receive at the end of the transaction. And it's telling us we're going to receive $45.5 worth of Ethereum. So we're losing less than $1. That is really good. For a bridge, that is very, very good. Now, on top of this, we're going to have to pay the fee, and the fee is 69 cents. So overall, I would say we are losing maybe at the most $2, something along those lines. Again, really, really good. So all we need to do, this is just to confirm, this is the amount of tokens we're sending, and these are the amount of tokens we are receiving. Now, the ability to send one token but receive the other is especially important if you don't. For example, if I was going to be my first introduction to base, so we can see the total, we're going to lose $2.37. It's a bit more than what we expected, but again, it's not that much. We just confirm the transaction, and then it will just do its thing. And whoa, complete. That was very, very quickly. Let's take a look and confirm that we have received our funds correctly. We are currently in the Mantle token. We've seen that now our MNT tokens have dwindled, so that means that the funds left. We're going to switch to base, and let's see. Yeah, we got our funds. We got everything. Transaction, seamless, super, super easy. Now, what I was saying before is that if you're sending funds to a new chain, it is very likely that you will not have funds to pay for the fees. And that's why it's very important to be able to choose the token that you will receive, because then, for example, in Base, the token that you use for the fees is Ethereum. And that's why I sent Mantle tokens, which is what I use to pay fees on Mantle, but I received Ethereum, because on Base, I need Ethereum. I don't need the Mantle token. So this is why it's so important to be able to choose not only the token that I'm sending, but also the token I am receiving, and to do that seamlessly. Because otherwise, I would have sent Mantle tokens to Base, and on Base, I would not have been able to swap those tokens for Ethereum because I didn't have any Ethereum to pay for the fees. So again, this is very, very important. Always send the token that, or at least some of the token, you should send it to be able to cover for the fees. Anyway, this has been a quick overview of the router Nitro bridge. I think is one of the best options to move around chains. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, bringing you more useful tools to maneuver the landscape of emerging technologies. Thank you and take care.